Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here today, and today we are at Sugar Creek Gem Mining here in Banner Elk, North Carolina, and we are actually with some friends today. We're going to have just a little bit of a different experience. We've never done anything like this before, but we're going to take you guys along with us. So if you'd like to join us, let's go. So we are going to head inside and check out some of the mining prices. Believe it or not, this was an unplanned stop, but we're excited to see what they have to offer. You do come in through the storefront here. I think this is where we pay for the experience, so we're going to take a quick look around at some of the merchandise and pay for our mining experience and get started. So they do have a few options for bucket sizes. We are going to go with a blue and an orange bucket since our party size is a little bit larger. Also, don't forget to pick up your scoop before heading outside. So we are going to go ahead and get started and see what kind of items we can find. And we're going to let Seth have a hand at this first. Couple finds here, but let's keep going. And this week's subscriber of the week is Josh. Thanks Josh for watching and commenting on our last video. If you too would like to be the subscriber of the week, check the comments to see how to enter. Also, don't forget to check the chart. They do have a list of everything that you can find so you can compare and see what items you've got. And after each round, you can dump your remains here. So let's keep going and grab another scoop. This blue bucket has actually taken us a little while to get through, so we're going to get a couple of big scoops here and see what else we can find. So it looks like there's some good finds in here. Let's see what we've got.
So here's the few gems that we found. Maybe like half a bag.
Yeah.
Some of the other guys got like a whole bag, so I think we didn't fare so well.
Oh, we did okay. So compared to our friends here, we didn't do as well, but as you can see, they found a couple of great finds. And one of our friends even got a full bag's worth with even a cute little blue gem here. And before we head out, we're going to check out this train car. We're not really sure what's in it, but it is open to the customers. So this looks like an old mining spot, pretty cool and a nice place to take a photo. Alright guys, so we are all done here at the mining experience. It was very, very cute, super fun. We actually got the medium sized bucket and there were like 6 of us and it took us a while to get through it and we just kept going back for more scoops. So it was definitely worth it. Now we got some souvenirs. To take home from this trip, but it was super fun. What did you think about it?
Yeah, I've never done something like this. I see like these type of things like
a lot of places.
In a lot of touristy type places,
yeah.
But we've never actually done it.
And we were a little bit worried, if it was just more for kids, but there were other adults and couples in there too, just having a good time. So even if you don't have a child with you, we would still definitely recommend this experience. But we hope you guys will like this video, comment, let us know if you've ever done anything like this, and be sure to subscribe to our channel just for new content every week. But until next time,
we hope to see you on the next adventure.
We hope to see you on the next adventure.